Hey guys, so I hope y'all are excited to see this transformation. I'm excited to do this because y'all stay clowning me. Y'all stay clowning me in my videos about how I be looking before I get all gussied up. So I'm like low-key a little excited to do this. So I feel like this is like once you get hair on, like you're halfway done, you know, like you already Beyonce. Okay, so I just put a little light right here just so I can see myself better. It's not gonna stay like this. I'm gonna turn it off when I'm done, but I just want to let y'all know that's what's happening. So I am pretty happy with where my ear tabs are lining up, like just about right here. Alright y'all, so here we go. This is the real catfishing. So I use my Fenty Beauty primer and y'all can see it is gone. I mean, look at this. There's nothing in there. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Do y'all see that? It's empty. It's empty. I mean, this thing is like demolished. Okay, so I will be using actually, you know, I think I want to do eyeshadows. Do I? I never do eyeshadows. I never do eyeshadows, and I have a gang of eyeshadows. I'm gonna do some eyeshadows, right? Oh my god. Yeah, I'm gonna do some eyeshadows. Yeah, sis. Okay. I'm gonna do some eyeshadows. Ooh, where's my primer? I'm just gonna prime with my NARS concealer, and this is in the shade Walnut. Right? People always prime with their concealers. I don't know why. I don't know why y'all be priming with your concealers, but I see any makeup tutorial I'm watching, girls always prime with their eyeshadows or their concealer. So I'm gonna prime with my concealer. First color I'm going in with is Velour, which is this beautiful blue. I don't think I've ever used this blue, or maybe I used it once. I have no idea. But you know, we're gonna try it today. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I see why y'all be using your concealers. Okay. Okay, I see why y'all be using your concealers as the base. Oh, okay, all right, I see this. I'm gonna go over it with Nebula. I'm gonna be using my Melt palette, or my Melt stack, and I'm using the Rust stack, I believe it's called. And I'm going to go in with, what color is this? Rust, which is quite true to its name. Okay, this is kind of cute. It's not as warm as I wanted it to be. Wow. Okay, y'all, so we have our eyeshadow on. You know, Catfish is about 30% loaded. I've been trying out the new Sunday Riley foundation. So you know your girl got her little samples. And it is starting to get sunny here in California, so I'm actually like getting just a little bit darker, so I'm trying to figure out. I think I'm gonna try the 270 today, which looks like this. It's a little bit darker in person. I want to say it's described as a brown, like a deep brown with red undertones. I don't want red undertones though. 260 is a tan with golden undertones or medium tan, and that's just like a little bit too light. And I also have, what is this? I also have 290. It doesn't look too bad. This 290, which is nice and dark and chocolate. And I feel like this is me, but it's really not. There's more shades in between. I'm gonna try 270 today, just see how that works out. Okay, I see the redness in there, so hopefully it's not that bad. So what I think I'm gonna do is like use 270 on like the inner parts of my face and like use 290 on the outer parts. Then I'm gonna go back in with 290 on the edge, if I can get some. You know what? Even though like 290 is not my color, I feel like so like bronze and like glowy. Next, I'm gonna go in with my NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer in the shade Walnut. Next, I'm going in with my NARS Contour Stick, and this is in the shade Cartoon. Who makes the NARS labels? Who is? Anyways, it is dark 4. Feeling like so the camera is picking me up like super yellow, but I'm not that yellow. I'm feeling pretty bronzy actually. I feel super wet though. Like that foundation is like extra wet. Like I'm like dripping right now. Just dripping. I'm going with my Laura Mercier baking powder in medium. Alright y'all, so unfortunately my camera died. Just killed it, died. So where we finished off, I like finished baking. These are the powders I bake with. This is the MAC loose powder in deep or in dark, and this is Laura Mercier. The Laura Mercier goes underneath my cheeks, and I put the MAC right underneath my eyes. So I'm going in with my MAC Dark Deepest Mineralized Skin Finish. This is like my favorite thing ever. For blush, I'm gonna go in with NARS's Taj Mahal. Just this really pretty like orange. I love this blush. This is like, I feel like a glowing peach. Okay, so this is more or less it. I'm just gonna put my mascara and my lashes on. And for lashes, I am using the Lily Lashes X Sephora in, what was that? What was it called? Mykonos? I don't know how to say it, but they look like these. These are the ones. So I'm gonna put those on and then I'm gonna come back after because that's just boring. So I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I am just about done. I have one last step and we all know what it is. You know, we gotta, you know, be Alright guys, so that's basically it. That's how I go from looking like awesome to a snack. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had lots of fun, and I hope you were entertained, because I mean the way y'all be cutting up in the comments is just like I'll be dying. Like, especially like it be dudes, I'd be like, wow sis, you just wow. You know. So yeah, this is it. This wasn't really a tutorial, just kind of like a, you know, like a funny video, get ready with me kind of video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you aren't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you're curious about this hair and how I got to this color, I have a whole series on where this hair is from. It's from Buttah Baby Hair, by the way. And how I got it this color. So if you're interested, those videos are already done. If you aren't already, make sure you follow my Instagram and my Snapchat. Remember when we used to talk about Twitter? Or Twitter. I don't know where she is, girl. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!